When students are empowered to shape their own learning journey, everyone in the school community benefits. Firefly understands that to help students achieve their personal best, they need frequent contact with and feedback from their teachers. When using Firefly, teachers have many options to work closely with students to help them grow, and parents and school leaders can view these conversations over time. We know that learning isn't static or transactional. It's fluid and works best when it's engagement-focused, so Firefly gives teachers the tools they need to adapt as they go. Teachers have the flexibility to give feedback in whatever way best suits the lesson or student, from audio feedback to using success criteria. If students need to follow up or take another try at a task or homework assignment, they can ask their teachers for help or clarification. The history of this conversation is saved and can be viewed by teachers, parents, and leaders alike, so they can work together to help make sure students succeed. Firefly helps students achieve better outcomes by engaging them with their teachers, making learning a team effort.